Hello ma'am, I am Mohammad Riazuddin from Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, bearing roll number 20955A0408 from ECB section, and my control system tech talk topic is a human traveling on the road. Before going to the topic, we'll see what is control system. The name control system itself defines that control is nothing but controlling anything, and the system is nothing but some group of elements will perform a specific task. Here we'll see the control system theory in engineering discipline, and due to university of the principles involved, it is extended to various fields like economy, sociology, biology, medicine, etc. Control theory has played a vital role in the advance of engineering and science. The automatic control has become an integral part of modern manufacturing and industrial process. For example, numerical control of machine tools in manufacturing industries, controlling pressure, temperature, humidity, viscosity, and flow in process industries. Okay, coming to the definition of control system. When a number of elements or components are connected in a sequence to perform a specific function or a specific task, the group thus formed is called a system. In a system, when the output quantity is controlled by varying the input quantity, the system is called the control system. The output quantity is controlled variable or response, and input quantity is called command signal or excitation. In control system, there are two types can be given as open loop system and closed loop control system. Coming to the open loop itself indicates that there is no link from output to input. There is only change of changing the manually input terms, then the output varies. So we'll see here, any physical system which does not automatically correct the variation in its output is called an open loop system or control system, in which the output quantity has no effect upon the input quantity, are called open loop control system. Here this means that the output is not feedback to the input for correction. Here the error signal will produce, it should not be corrected at the output. And in open loop system, the output can be varied by varying the input, but due to the external disturbances, the system output may change. When the output changes due to disturbances, it is not followed by changes in the input to correct the output. In open loop systems, the changes in output are corrected by changing the input manually. It is nothing but the R of t is the input, there is an open loop system, and C of t as an output will get. Coming to the closed loop system. Closed loop system is nothing but there is a link from output to input through the feedback connection. Here feedback is present. We'll see here the control system in which the output has an effect upon the input quantity in order to maintain the desired output value are called closed loop system. Here the output is fed back to the input and then controller again then connected to open loop system. The open loop system can be modified as closed loop system by providing a feedback. Here we are providing a feedback to the open loop system to become a closed loop system. The provision of feedback automatically corrects the changes in output due to disturbances. Hence, the closed loop system is also called automatic control system. Here, the output is fed back to the input and then controller block again connected to the open loop system. It means the error signals or any errors produced at the output, it should automatically corrected by connecting the feedback block. So it also called as automatic control system. A block diagram consists of an error detector and a controller, an open loop system, and feedback path elements. Here, the advantages of open loop system is nothing but simple and economical and easier to construct. Open loop systems are stable. Coming to closed loop system, it is accurate even in the presence of non-linearities. And here the sensitivity of system made small to make the system to be more stable. And here the less affected by noise. Closed loop system is less affected by noise. Here coming to disadvantages, open loop system is inaccurate and unreliable. Changes in the output due to external disturbances are not corrected automatically. Just now we had seen the open loop system. Here the output is not corrected. Coming to closed loop system, it is very complex and costly. It means cost effective, and feedback may leads to oscillatory response. Feedback reduces the overall gain of the system, and stability is a major problem in closed loop control system. Stability, to construct the circuit as stability, there is some problem. Coming to our topic, human traveling on the road. When human traveling on the road is nothing but it follows a closed loop system in which output is connected to input by feedback, which responds as the system output error is corrected by input automatically. Here we'll see the block diagram. Here the set point, the central nervous system. The human have the central nervous system, and then muscles which are interconnected, and some disturbances arising, and then body segments. Again, it is nothing but position. That position is again sensor, through sensor feedback connect again we are letting connected to set point. And when human traveling on the road, we all know that reflex action, when we are walking or running on the roads, if there is any obstruction, we'll see if there any obstruction we caught at to our leg while walking, there is a sudden movement of the leg raising. This is nothing but reflex action. Here the man traveling is nothing but general open loop system, but when there is any obstruction, obstruction occurs, then the human body senses it, and this sensing it senses, and it sends the message to the central nervous system, is nothing but brain. Again it sends the information to the body that to take off or raise the leg. See here the sense is nothing but a feedback element. Why? Because our body is nothing but moving. It's nothing but a stationary or a general example as a body, but here the moment of reflection is nothing but the system of feedback system. The sensing is nothing but feedback system. Thank you.